Hello there, everyone. Welcome back to the Golfy channel. And this is Golfy. Today we'll be doing a reaction video with the France Rhythm Family Band. Okay, I believe today's song will be As Tears Go By the Rolling Stones, and it's going to be a full band. Okay, guys? So hold on there for a second and let's do this. Here you go, guys. France Rhythm Family Band. As Tears Go By the Rolling Stones. Sa, sa mga kababayan ko dyan sa buong mundo at mga OFW, sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Mga kababayan ko sa Pilipinas, sana nasa mabuti rin kayong kalagayan. Kumakalat na naman ng COVID, kaya sana as much as possible nagpa-vaccine na kayo para protektado kayo. Kasi grabe talaga tong COVID na to, napaka-traidor at kailangan yung protektahin ang sarili ninyo. Anyway, nandito na naman tayo sa reaction video with the France Rhythm Family Band. Kaya antabayanan nyo lang at pag natapos ito, i-upload ko kagad para makita ninyo. Okay? Here you go, guys.
It is the evening of today. I sit and watch the children play. Smiling faces I can see, but not for me. I sit and watch as tears go by. My riches can't buy everything. I want to hear the children sing. All I hear is the sound of rain falling on the ground. I sit and watch as God bless everyone. Thank you for watching,
Thank you
guys.
for watching,
Mga
guys.
karitem dyan!
Subscribe, Friends Redemption.
Maraming salamat. God bless.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Wow, ang galing talaga nila. Ayun na naman si Dad sa drums niya. At binabantayan siya na maigi ni Chen, panay tingin sa kanya ni Chen. He did a really good job handling the drums. At ang ganda ng version nila nito. At merong portion doon, humming lang sila, which is really beautiful, okay? Sa mga bagong viewers ko dyan, kailangan kong tulong ninyo para ma-spread out natin itong video ng France Rhythm Band para maraming makakapanood. Para lang magawa yan, merong algorithm na sinusundan itong YouTube. Dapat ma-reach natin number of viewers at saka number of subscribers. Kaya kung di pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe at bago kayo dito, kindly please click the red subscribe button, the bell notification all, and the blue like thumbs up button up there. Kailangan natin gawin yan para matulungan natin itong France Rhythm Family Band. Okay? Na-reach na nila 600,000 subscribers. Ang next step nila is 700,000. Kaya please, tulong lang. Okay? This is the end for today's reaction video. Magkita-kita na lang tayo sa susunod. Please take care of yourself and be well. Ciao!